The LG washing machine error code EE indicates a problem with the electrically erasable programmable read-only memory (EEPROM) on the main control board. This memory is essential for the machine to complete a wash cycle. And when it fails, the error code EE appears. Common causes of this error include faulty wiring, which can disrupt the power supply to the control board, and a damaged control board, which can be identified by scorch marks near the track marks. In some cases, the error code simply requires the machine to be restarted, as the control board needs to be discharged. To fix the error code, you can start by checking for faulty wires using an electrical multimeter. And if necessary, seek professional help to repair or replace them. If the issue lies with the control board, you may need to repair or replace it, especially if the scorch marks are not erasable. Another potential solution is to reset the machine by turning the control knob to the top setting, unplugging it for 10 to 15 minutes to discharge the capacitors, and then plugging it back in and testing it with a short cycle. If the machine completes the cycle, the problem should be resolved.